Hey Canva lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to translate a whole spreadsheet in Canva Sheets with just one click. I've got a Canva sheet open that's tracking a TikTok ads campaign promoting 3 digital products. The table includes impressions, ad copy, clicks, orders, delivery status, and even the earnings for each product. Now here's where the magic happens. To translate the entire sheet into French, I first select all the data in the table. Then I go to the Actions menu and click on Translate. In the Translate panel, I choose French as the language. Canva also lets you pick a tone. There are 6 options, and I go with the professional tone for this one. I double-check that everything's selected, then click Translate. A few seconds later, the entire sheet is translated into French. Even the ad copy sounds polished and professional, just like I wanted. It's super quick and makes working with different languages effortless, especially for international campaigns. If this was helpful, let me know in the comments what other Canva tools you want to explore. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. See you in the next one.